Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rank up very fast on the TFT or the Teamfight tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, just go and open your PC, then open your Riot client. If you have it, of course, already downloaded it to your PC. If you don't have it, you'll have to go and download it just through whatever browser you're using. Brave as an example, what I'm using right now, you can just go here and type download right client, hit the enter button, and download it. Once it downloaded, install it into your PC, and you'll be good to go to open it up. Once it's opened, of course, you will find yourself with a home screen like that. Of course, here you will find your games that's already downloaded or installed into this PC. And of course, if you don't have the Teamfight tactics already downloaded, you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find this all games and click at the Teamfight tactics. From here, this button, you'll be able to install it. For me, it's already installed. Of course, you'll even have the option of playing it on your PC, on your phone, on the Android, on Google Play, and you can download it from App Store on iPhone, or of course, in the League of Legends on PC, which I'm using right now. So once you have it, of course, you will have just to go on the top. Once it's opened, you'll need just to go and find a match. And once you found the match, of course, that's where the things start. If you want to rank up, first of all, just go and open whatever browser you're using and simply go here to the URL section and simply type TFT best comps and click at the enter button. Make sure to enter this one, this mobiletext.gg, and of course, oh sorry, not this one then. Yeah, it should be the first one with the tactics.gg. And here, as you can see, they are giving you the best S comps on the game. So make sure to just go and collect those champions that are telling you in the game, and make sure that you will rank up very fast and win against the others. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.